हो नेड़े नेड़े वस वे ढोला मैं तैनू प्यार कर दी जावा नेड़े नेड़े वस वे ढोला मैं तैनू प्यार कर दी जावा नेड़े नेड़े वस वे ढोला तैनू प्यार कर दी जावा नेड़े नेड़े वस वे ढोला मैं तैनू प्यार कर दी जावा
ਛੱਡ ਪਰਾਂ ਬੈਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਮੇਰੀ ਕਾਤੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਣਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੱਢ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹਟਣਾ ਛੱਡ ਪਰਾਂ ਬੈਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਮੇਰੀ ਕਾਤੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਣਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੱਢ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹਟ
Assalamualaikum. उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे।
Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do and share this video with your loved ones.
तो आइए आज का व्लॉग शुरू करते हैं। तो आज सुबह जब हम उठे तो इतनी बारिश हो रही थी। आई नो इट लुक्स लाइक कि ये शाम का टाइम है बट नहीं, इट वाज राइट इन द मॉर्निंग। बट वी लव्ड एवरी बिट ऑफ दैट रेन। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने बाहर जाना था, कुछ सामान लेना था बिकॉज आई हैव माई फ्रेंड कमिंग ओवर ऑल द वे फ्रॉम डार्विन एंड आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड टू सी हर बिकॉज शी वाज कमिंग आफ्टर 7 years। फिर उसके बाद हम लोग चले गए चाइनीज शॉप में जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने ये न्यू किस्म की आई डोंट नो इट वाज अ आइसक्रीम स्लशी टाइप थिंग which is pretty cool। उसके बाद हम लोग चले गए
Park Halal Meat, and this is in Ruti Hill. And guys, we've showed you this before, but they have very good meat and very fresh and good quality.
That's right। और इनके पास शान के मसाले भी है, so if you guys are planning to make something you guys can purchase this masala right there and then। उसके बाद my friend was over and we made pulao, we made kofte, salad, chutney। We also made some dahi bade and she loved the food guys। उसके बाद मेरे जो प्यार से भाई है who lives in Melbourne, he made these 3D printing tools you can say। So he's into 3D printing for quite some while now और अब उनको काफ़ी डिज़ाइंस बनाने आ गए हैं और मुझे उस टाइम पता नहीं था कि ये सब क्या है। तो मुझे लगा कि ये बिस्मिल्लाह और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रखने के लिए है बट इट वाज एक्चुअली अ फ़ोन होल्डर and this was one thing that I was super excited about। It's basically like a butterfly knife but it's actually a comb and my brother when he sent a video of this I was like my god, I was like Pakistan package ko chora, I'm just excited about this thing। So yes, he made like 2 of these and he also made like this it's like a fidget toy which he designed and he made it himself। So it's pretty cool और this had like a little game inside। इसकी बाद में मैंने proper detail में video बनाई थी like video में दिखाएंगे और this is like this little like keychain type thing। तो this is a cutout for $1 coin, so you can just insert it in your cart and you can use it।
Yeah, guys, some pretty cool things that he sent, and I'm also fascinated to see how things like that can be made, and it's very handy for your household as well. So thank you if you're watching this, brother-in-law. Things were very, very nice and cool.
That's right, and those alhamdulillah and bismillah were actually fridge magnets जो कि हम लोगों ने लगाए हुए हैं and this was like a little toy। तो ये basically आपको जो भी पैकेट में मिलता है कुछ भी मिलता है वो हमेशा से गिर जाता है या टूट जाता है but this wasn't coming out at all and this was, if you guys have watched Squid Games you would understand the reference। So this is a Korean game, it's called Gonji and or Gongi I think। but yeah, इसको basically ऊपर toss करते हैं, इनको catch करते हैं and yeah, that's how you play it। So yes, again I was very fascinated by the little butterfly comb thing।
And guys, this was for your batteries. So for your AAA and AA batteries, you can just put them there instead of, you know, they always get lost and you misplace them, so it's handy for that। And this, like we mentioned before, it's for your mobile holder। You can keep it vertical or horizontal, so that's pretty cool too। So guys, उसके बाद हमारा plan बना बाहर जाने का and we had to go to this market which we'll be showing you soon, but it's a market where you can find almost anything and it's a very busy market and you can actually negotiate things। So the weather was actually very nice guys। The market's name is Sydney Markets, which is also known as Paddy's Markets in Flemington, and guys it is so big। We've shown you Parkley Markets before and it's pretty similar to that but twice as big।
That's right, and guys you have a variety of things here। मतलब यहाँ पे आपको फूल मिलेंगे, यहाँ पे आपको फ़ोन की एक्सेसरीज़ मिलेंगी, आपको कपड़े मिलेंगे, आपको खिलौने मिलेंगे और ये सब चीज़ों की रेंज बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल होती है। मतलब फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यहाँ पे जो खिलौने थे दे वर लाइक $3, $4, $5, बट डोंट लेट योर किड्स सी दिस बिकॉज़ दे विल जस्ट गो एंड ग्रैब सम स्टफ।
Guys, I have so many toy shops, and if you're with your kids, the little ones, it can be a bit tricky. So make sure अगर आपके छोटे छोटे बच्चे हो तो उनको साथ मत लेकर जाना.
That's right, and this is the phone accessories shop और यहाँ पे मतलब फ़ोन कवर्स थे, फ़ोन केसेस थे, फ़ोन accessories थी और काफ़ी affordable prices थी. We asked this person here कि how much was like a screen protector.
Hello. Do you guys sell a screen protector for S25 Ultra?
Yes, yeah, $15.
$15. Okay. And is it the tempered glass or the plastic one?
Yeah, tempered glass.
Tempered glass. Okay.
Not plastic. Only glass.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. So this price also included that they're gonna apply the protector for you. So that was pretty cool. और उसके बाद this was a little shop which was like a hijab and like a modest clothing shop. और इसमें जितने भी कपड़े थे all of them were full sleeve and they were flowy and big, which was very nice to see because यहाँ पे बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि आपको full कपड़े मिलते हैं. उसके साथ ही there was this another shop and this shop had a lot of like kitchen utensils, kitchen gadgets and everything. और ये मम्मा की favorite shop है. So yeah, if you guys are planning to maybe like gift someone something or purchase it for yourself, then this is a shop that you should check it out.
100%. And the good thing about Flemington markets or Paris markets is you can negotiate the prices. So it's not always fixed prices. You can always negotiate. So guys, this was a perfume shop. Mostly Arabic perfumes here, and it was a little bit pricier than other perfume shops like the Islamic shops. For example, the perfumes are around $70 to $80 here, whereas in Islamic shops you can even find them from starting from $55. So a little bit pricier, but they had a variety of perfumes which were nice to see. And after that we saw another shop which had Australian native souvenirs. So things like boomerangs. This is very native to Aboriginals. They used to use this, back in the days. It was quite a common thing, and they had keychains and they had hats and flags, different things with Aboriginal designs and very native.
Although ये designs काफ़ी similar थे but they were super unique और इनका design काफ़ी अलग था. तो जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं ओरिजिनली ये उनकी कल्चर में आता है और काफ़ी लोग इस दुकान के आसपास थे and there was this little bangle as well which I saw and again these prices were very very affordable. तो उसके बाद हम लोग जब जा रहे थे then we saw that this was a way that they connect the electricity like from the top. तो ऊपर से एक सॉकेट आती है जिसके साथ ये लोग कनेक्ट करते हैं और अपने स्टॉल्स में ये लोग लाइट्स लगा सकते हैं या कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की ज़रूरत हो. सो येस दैट वाज वेरी कूल टू सी एज वेल. और अगेन यहाँ पे कपड़े भी होते हैं और गाइस ये 100% ओरिजिनल है. अच्छा कोई ये ना बोले कि they're like first or third copy, they're not.
Of course 100% original.
Exactly.
And guys, यहाँ पे there was like car seats, different materials. There was leather, there was fabric, so that was cool to see different colors and designs. So guys, after that we decided to try gözleme. We saw a Turkish auntie standing over there, so we thought this would be authentic. So we ordered the chicken, spinach and cheese gözleme, and I found it quite nice. What did you think about it?
That's right. It was actually very nice and it costed about like $11 to $12, which was very good for the amount of serving that we got. Although I will say I did find it a little bit dry, but again, it was for the place and everything. I feel like it was the best thing that we could get.
Yeah, it's something you could walk around and eat. And our little nephew finally saw toys that he wanted, so we got him a toy, and that was our tour. After that, we went to Mr. Shawarma, which is located in Greenacre.
That's right. And we did like the place and we loved the vibe and everything. but we were a little bit disappointed with the chicken shawarma. Although I will say this hummus and the garlic sauce was amazing.
And the chips were
was-
nice too.
Yes, of course, the chips were very nice. And we also got like the kafta shawarma, which was the top one, I think. बाकी सारों में से सबसे ज़्यादा हमें kafta वाला अच्छा लगा. उसके बाद the second number would be the one that you got, which was the meat one.
Yeah, and they said that was lamb and beef mixed together.
Yes.
But yeah, that was very nice as well. The chicken one, I agree, it was a bit dry, and I feel like they were very stuffed, like with chips, a lot of meat
Yes,
inside.
if you guys are planning to eat this, please don't get anything else because मुझसे तो पूरा नहीं खाया गया, but again, with like everyone who ate, they were super full because they have French fries and everything in the shawarma, which is a good thing and a bad thing at the same time because you can't enjoy anything else. So
But
this
yeah,
is
it was quite nice, and we have to explore Greenacre one more time and show you guys the shops around there because we really enjoyed our time there.
that's right. And for dessert, we had this Palestine chocolate, and it's for our brothers and sisters. उसके बाद we had to get a few things for Eid because रमज़ान आ रहा है, तो उससे पहले पहले हम लोगों ने ईद की तैयारी भी करनी है because रमज़ान में बहुत मुश्किल होगा ईद की तैयारी करना. So we decided to go to the shop and they had a lot of like Eid decorations and everything. लेकिन हमारा मसला ये था कि हमें कुछ सिल्वर चाहिए था because our theme was silver and black. And we cannot go with anything gold, or literally आप कहीं से भी सामान ले लो, you will always see that ईद का जो सामान होता है वो आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम गोल्ड ही होता है. So unfortunately we weren't able to find anything very unique and very cool, but we did end up getting some lights and we love those lights.
Yeah, definitely. And good customer service. The people working there were very friendly. They helped us with what we wanted, and they had quite a lot of designs, but we found something we liked, and we purchased that.
So in this shop, you will also find kids Islamic books. You can also find clothes and Islamic clothes and everything. उसके बाद we decided to invite our friends over with their families, and it's always great to catch up with the friends and have desi food.
Definitely is. Guys, काफी time से हमने दोस्तों के साथ मुलाकात नहीं की हुई थी, so we thought, we'll have a gathering, have a good time, and over here we were playing video games. The boys were playing games, having a good time, and this was the food that we had prepared for them. Can you run them through it?
Of course. So this was our little dessert section. जिसमें हमने थोड़ा सा cake रखा था, brownies, and we had our pastries, puff pastries that we made at home. उसके बाद we had tadka rice. So we wanted to do something a little bit different. So we decided to have like a lot of curries, and we got rice with that. So the first curry that we have is a kebab karahi, which was amazing, and again mama ki cooking, you guys know it. Uske baad we have the butter chicken, which was again, it was amazing and it tasted really good. This was our aloo gosht, and on the other side we had our very special, and the star of the day was halim. And I swear guys, मैं जितना मर्जी हलीम की तारीफ करूँ ना, हलीम जो है वो हमेशा मतलब top रहेगी, top. Like everyone loved halim, everyone loved the food, and alhamdulillah for such a good food and such a great day.
Yeah, guys, everyone loved the food, alhamdulillah. The halim was definitely the winner of the day, but yeah, everyone loved all the food, alhamdulillah. And guys, hope you guys enjoyed our vlog today. Please do follow us for more. For now, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.